Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to Healthy Kitchen Wizard. Today we're creating something that's fresh, vibrant, and incredibly nourishing. My Mediterranean style high protein longevity salad. Now I know that's a mouthful, right? This is the kind of dish that doesn't just taste amazing. It actually supports your health, your energy, and yes, your longevity. So let's take a look at what we're working with today. Simple, whole ingredients, packed with flavor and nutrition. We have high protein chickpeas, juicy tomatoes, crispy cucumber, which I have to cut, avocado, red onion for a little bite, of course, fresh garlic, and because we love flavor so much, we have to add the briny black olives. And of course, you gotta have the feta cheese. And to bring all this together with some beautiful olive oil and a touch of paprika, which I have right here. Okay, so first things first, I already cut the olives, and I'm just gonna cut the tomatoes and the cucumbers. Look how luscious these are. Okay, put that right there. Let's do the cucumber. Okay, so cucumbers in there. Now we're going to add the onions. Of course, we're going to put the chickpeas in. I have 2 cups of chickpeas. Before I go any further, the recipe will be on the bottom, so just have to cut the avocado. And of course it's just going to cut these right in there. Add our tomatoes. Our olives. Some parsley. Coconut oil. Paprika. And by the way, I'm using the black olives, the medium black olives. And we're going to give this a toss. Look at all this goodness. That just looks amazing. So I have to make the salad dressing. Of course, today my hand blender decided to not work. So we'll make the dressing in the in this here with the NutriBullet. Okay, so we're making the dressing, and we have 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're gonna put the lemon zest and the juice of 1 lemon in here.
And you already put the mustard in?
We have the Dijon mustard, and we want 1 tablespoon of honey. Using the Manuka honey. And of course we have some oregano and salt. We have fresh turmeric, which is wonderful for your health, and some black pepper. You can use the powdered turmeric if you don't have fresh. And some parsley. And we're gonna give this a quick blend, and we'll be back. Our dressing is ready. Look at that. This is, oh, it just smells so good. So we're gonna put this on here. Then we're going to add the garlic, fresh garlic, and of course the feta. And then we'll just give it a toss. Oh my. Oh. Okay, my friends, now for the best part. My friends, I wish that you were here to smell this. It just smells heavenly. Now for the taste test. My friends, all the ingredients were delicious, but I have to tell you, together, that salad dressing was so worth making. It is out of this world. I am not even exaggerating. It is so delicious. That fresh turmeric took it to a new height. And this is, I just don't want to stop eating. But thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.